Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a little review. It's been a minute since I've done a review on this channel and I thought, what a time to bring it back with this foundation release that we've all been hearing about. Now let's see if it's worth it. Does it do everything that it says it's supposed to do? Is the color range great? Stay tuned and you will know every single answer to those questions. If you guys didn't already know, I upload every single week. Look out for a video every single week. Hey, let's get started. So I just got back from the Dose of Colors pop-up shop for her new Meet Your Hue foundation. I got a little goodie bag. Let's go ahead and see what's in it. I didn't even look yet, so we're gonna look at it together. We got Ideal Duo. Ooh, which one is this? Shell. Oh girl, I already have this, but have it again. No complaints over here. What do we have next? Almond Butter Lip Gloss. Ooh, I've been wanting to try this for such a long time. Okay, Stay Glossy. Ooh, I like that. You guys know I love a good gloss. I'm a gloss type of girl. I'm not a matte lipstick type of girl. I mean, I'll wear it, but if I would choose, I'd choose gloss for sure. And then we got... Whenever I read this, I think of Bretman Rock. Machito. Macchiato lip gloss. Do you guys know what I'm talking about? That video with Bretman. Yo, shout out to Bretman Rock. This looks beautiful. Oh my god, these are really good giveaway like goodie bags. Are you kidding me? What is this? Lip liner and ruffled. Ooh, ruffled. I love her lip liner. I have natural, I think. Which one is this called? Oh, casual. Close. So they're both nudes. Love that. And we got, last but not least, Just Because lip gloss. Oof. All lip glosses? Damn, it's my lucky day. So I got 5 things just for showing up there. I thought that was so cool. I think I was like the first 50. I don't even know. I just showed up. There were people to color match. It was so cool. I met Anna. She's so sweet. Go show her some love. She's a hard worker. You guys know I love Dose of Colors. I use those colors literally almost every single tutorial because it's so good. So when I heard about this foundation, I was like, excuse me, foundation? Is that you calling my name? I'm very picky with foundation. So let's see if this lives up to my standards. Now time for the star of the show. We got 2 new things. We got a foundation and a beauty sponge. So let's see. Look at that packaging. I love a matte and glossy finish on packagings. This is high pigment, matte finish, buildable, lightweight, and long wear. So this is called the Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue, medium to full coverage. So I got the number 112, and you know what's so funny? On their Instagram, they show a lineup of different women, different men, different skin tones, undertones, and whichever foundation they chose. And from the pictures, I saw 112 and I was like, I think I'm gonna be 112. And then I go there and guess what I am? 112. And 12 is my lucky number, so it's like weird. So the cool part about this pop-up shop is if you bought the foundation, you're gonna get a sponge as well. I wanted to buy this either way, so I was like, wow, 2-in-1. I get to test it out. Yes! So this foundation is $36, which I was like, excuse me? $36? That's literally less than a palette and a little bit more than like a lipstick. The foundations that I use are like 50, 60, super expensive because, you know, foundation is one of the more expensive parts of your makeup routine. So seeing this at $36, I was like blown away and wanted to try it even more. So enough talking. Let's just dive into this review. So I'm gonna clip back my hair. I have literally like half my makeup done. Well, just only my eyes, and then I do my face, and then I go back and finish my eyes. So I'm gonna take this Seamless Beauty Sponge out of its packaging. Oh, it's so tiny. Isn't it so funny how small these beauty blenders are, or sponges are? And then when you get them wet, they're super big, super soft. It looks like this. It says Dose of Colors, kind of like embedded into the sponge. So I'm gonna go wet it and see how it expands in size. All right, I wet it and it did get bigger in size. And just to let you guys know, this sponge is $15. Just so you guys know the idea of the price range. I'm gonna prime my face first using my Smashbox primerizer. Is literally one of my absolute favorite primers because I'm so dry. And then I'm gonna go into my Professional. Actually, No, I'm not going to go into my professional. Let's see what this foundation actually does. But I will go into my LC Glow Enhancer just to highlight the areas that I like to be highlighted. Couple drops on the back of the hand. And just add it. So I'm going to get the sponge and just bounce all over where I put my enhancing oil. And I'm going to take it out of its package. Ooh. Ooh. Oh girl, no, I'm going to break a nail. Get that tweezer. This is nicely secured. So this is how the container looks. It has a matte top and a frosted container with, of course, its name on it. And this is the 112 Light. So I'm gonna pump it. It's a pump, which is great. I'm gonna pump like two and a half pumps. And I like to dot all over my face and then go into the beauty sponge. This feels like Too Faced Born This Way foundation. So has a very similar texture. And dot all over. Now, I don't know if I did too much foundation. So let's see how this will look. I'm gonna use the flat end. Oh wow, this is a really good blender. It gets right into the corners. This is literally like my color. Okay, so 2.5 pumps is pretty good. I could still see my skin from underneath, which is great. It doesn't have that like cakey effect. Hello, is that me? So my problem area is my forehead. I talk animated and I wrinkle my forehead a lot, and I could see like lines in my foundation whenever I do my foundation. This one literally filled in my lines, which is great because it does say it blurs away your lines. So let's let it dry and then see what will happen. Now I'm gonna add some on the back of my hand and use the sponge just to add a little bit more into the areas that I want more coverage. This is totally buildable, absolutely buildable. This foundation looks really good, you guys. Wow. I'm not impressed with foundation, but this one's really nice. So this is where it's gonna be put to the test. I'm gonna use my Ride or Die products and see how this foundation works with it. So you can have an amazing foundation, but if your products aren't working well with each other, then it's probably not for you. If you use those other products and they're Ride or Die for you, they work with everything, and then you get a new foundation and it doesn't work, it's probably the foundation. So this will put it to the test, and I will let you guys know how I like it when I'm done. I look like a mime. Or those people that are like painted like statues and they're just like, that's me. This is really nice, you guys. Wow. I'm loving my forehead, girl. I'm done with my makeup. Let me tell you guys how I feel right now. First, I'm gonna show you guys how my skin looks. Okay, good look, right? Good look. All around, neck blended, jaw snatched, forehead unwrinkled. After using this foundation, I have been impressed. I really am impressed. I mean, I wasn't expecting anything less from Dose, but I wasn't expecting me to love it so much, like this much. It just looks so good. It looks like skin, you guys. I hate when you wear a foundation and it looks like if I just touch you, I'll have foundation hands. You know what I'm talking about? Like, it does not look cakey. It looks like skin. It looks smooth. My forehead, that's my problem area, and it's not wrinkled at all. And I am so happy with this purchase. $36 for this type of foundation is like mind-blowing. If you guys want to see a tutorial on this eye look, super easy, super fast, let your girl know down in the section below, you know, the comment section where people leave comments. My tongue is in knots from being blown away from this foundation. I can't stop looking at my skin. Like, is that you? After using this foundation and after using this sponge, I absolutely recommend. The sponge is great, but it's not like there's a million other sponges out there you can use totally fine, but this foundation is something you guys have to use. Like, you guys have to check it out. It's something that you have to use in your collection just once, at least once, to see how it is, how it suits your skin. I'm loving it, yo. This looks so nice. Interruption. Hold on. Hello. Wear test. Hey guys, it's the end of the night. I have had this foundation on for hours now. I'm whispering because it's super late. I thought it'd be fair to do like a wear test and actually see how the foundation works, and I kind of got that idea after I filmed. So I just wanted to show you guys that my foundation hasn't moved an inch at all. Like, I'm shocked. I don't look cakey at all. By the end of the night, I kind of look like I need touch-ups or a little bit of powder. It's kind of cakey. This looks like I legit just beat my face. So I thought I'd just put that into note. And something that I didn't talk about that I feel like is so important was the shade range. She had, I believe, 42 colors, which is so good. And it's not like 40 of them are light and then 2 of them are dark. She has a very nice variety for every single skin tone, every undertone, every single color in the book. So I thought that was a super important point, because you don't want to support, you know, a company that has so much for light skin people and then very limited for dark. So I take those things into consideration when it comes to buying products. So you guys can see how it actually looks after hours. It's like 1 o'clock in the morning. But I thought I'd hop right in to show you guys now. Let's continue with the video. So the verdict is, do I recommend this foundation? Do I think it's worth every penny? How is the shade range? Does it cover your imperfections? Does it cover your fine lines? And all of those answers are yes. Leave a comment down below. Tell me how you feel. If you like it, if you don't like it, what you love about it, what you hate about it. I honestly can't say anything I hate about it. I don't think I hate anything about it. Great job, Dose of Colors. Round of applause. Round of applause. Thank you guys so much for watching this little review. It's been a minute since I've done a review, right? So if you enjoyed every single second, don't forget to like, share, comment, and of course, don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with all my latest videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.